Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop as a monitor for another device. So, since we cannot project by cable because laptops only support output to other monitors without being able to receive the signal from another device, we're gonna have to use the wireless projection. Therefore, we're gonna need two separate devices, including this Microsoft Surface as one of them, with Windows and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So check your Wi-Fi connection, check which Wi-Fi you're connected to, then go to the Start menu, go to Settings, open System on the sidebar. Then here you're gonna have to check Projecting to this PC. If you are seeing the interface like this, that means that you are ready to go. But if you see a message that your device has to be that you have to install some optional features or something like that, then return back to System, then scroll down to Optional Features right here. Open this menu, then click View Features, click Yes, then see Available Features, and here search for the wireless display. Once you find it, you have to hit the checkbox next to it and click Download, and then wait until it's downloaded and installed on your computer. Now, once you do install it, you'll be able to find it in Edit Features right here. So let's close this menu and let's return back to System, then go to Projecting to this PC. Now we have to change the first value right here from Always Off to Available Everywhere, or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks. And then if you want to project to this PC when it's unplugged from the power cable, switch this toggle to the left. And now what you have to do is grab in another device, your other device with Windows. Press Windows+K, combination of keys on it. In Available Displays, you'll be able to see your Microsoft Surface laptop in case it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You just have to click on it and you'll start projecting your display from another laptop to Microsoft Surface. You also can adjust the projection type by pressing Windows+P on your other device and selecting how you want to project your screen. You can either use Duplicate option, you can use Extend option, or you can use second screen only, which will make your Microsoft Surface the main monitor for your other device. And to stop the projection, you either have to press Windows+K on that other device and select disconnect right here, or just close the projection window on your Microsoft Surface laptop. That's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.